All right, so I want to talk about aligning other panels. Now, when it comes to aligning panels, you have to have something to align. And it all depends on the artwork. I mean, if these were horizontal lines, it'd be easy to align, right? It's very clear. But this, as you see up here, like it's gonna be kind of hard for me to find like where this aligns if it's all blue, okay? However, most designs have something in them, some type of line that you can use as reference. Now, looking at this pattern here, notice that there's some lines coming here, and then a really good one down here. Okay, so what we're gonna be looking to do is align these sections. Just depending on your design, just find reference points that you can align. Every artwork will have something on it, okay? One of the differences between paste wallpaper and peel and stick is paste, you wet the wall with paste, and once you stick the wallpaper, you can then scoot it around and one person can align it. With peel and stick, it has to be aligned and then you stick it. So when you're aligning with these wide panels, it can be difficult to hold it like this and try to look over the left side and align. What you can do is let that side fall over. See how it's falling over? And what I'm gonna do is just hold this with one hand, because all I'm paying attention to is this left edge right now. I need to get this aligned, then I can stick the rest of it. How's that looking down there for you? And this is where you really need a helper, if not even a third person to help you. And the reason being is these panels are large, and what happens is you have to either move the panel up, down, left, right, counterclockwise, or clockwise. And those are the 6 directions you're kind of working with. And they're actually gonna tell me to move left or right, up or down, clockwise or counterclockwise. And then what we'll do is once they have it aligned in their position, I will stick the top. And that's the easiest way to align a panel. Okay, we're good? All right, let's stick. We have a bit of a misalignment here, and this can be fixed by just kind of stretching a little bit. What I'm gonna do is peel this back up. Like that, okay? That fixes it. It's important that whenever you align it, you align like the middle part. Don't worry so much about the floor and the ceiling. Make sure you get the middle and the rest will fall in suit.